Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy JTH. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Eufy Security Smart Lock Touch with Fingerprints Identification Technology by Anchor. My bad if I'm talking too fast. But anyway, I purchased this yesterday from Amazon and got it today, 1-day shipment. Just got it to test it out, see if I'm going to like it. I'm pretty sure 99.9% I am going to like it because I have 4 security cameras and 1 doorbell ring from Eufy, the same company, and so far I love all of them. I have no issue. I love their service, especially with the free service that they have where you can store all your videos and motions on an SD card. All you gotta do is buy an SD card and just install it, and that's it. They do have the cloud service, what you pay for, but most people nowadays don't want to pay for nothing, so I rent that route. So like I said, I'm testing it out. I did have a security lock before. I don't know where it's at. It's probably somewhere in the garage somewhere, but enough of that, whatever. So I just want to test it out. So we're gonna open it right now. Before I do, just want to tell you that from the side, this is how it looks. I'm not gonna read all this, y'all figure that out. If you ever see it's on the description, I'll put the link in the description of this from Amazon. Here's the back. It's it's on both the apps. It's on Apple and Android, which is good. Unlock as you approach. So there's 4 different ways that I could see here not 4 different ways. Actually, sorry guys. Let me go back here. What's inside? What's inside? What's in the box? You got a exterior assembly, interior assembly, deadbolt, strike plate, strike reinforced, screws, AA batteries, keys, which is 5, 4 AA batteries, manual, and Wi-Fi bridge. So that's what's enclosed. This is how it looks. The app itself on your phone. I don't know why I use Apple, but whatever. So let's go on and unbox this, guys. The top, I don't know if I show you at the bottom. I know most of y'all people don't really care, but anyway. And put it to the side. So this one here is the interior assembly. That's how it looks. Exterior, what you will install this on the outside of the door. This one on the inside. This is on the outside. So this is part of the interior. It's supposed to be like this, some kind of rubber metal thing here. It's rubber on the back and metal on the front. 4 AA batteries, screw hole plug, the screws here, the other screws here, these are the long ones. So these are just strike, reinforcement, and plate. And the deadbolt. There's 5 keys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The manual, and this will be the bridge right here, guys. So this is what you need this to connect to the lock itself. Reset button. So you put the SD card right here, which I don't know why you need SD card, but I don't know what it's storing, but I'll check that out later. So pretty much okay, guys. So this is what's in the box of the Eufy Security Smart Lock. I'm gonna test it out tomorrow because it's late. I will make a video on this to show you guys how that I did install and how does it work. I'm sure it's gonna work good, like I said, guys. So thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next video. Thank you. Peace out.